Good morning again, boys and girls. I am so happy that you are here for another story time. Today's story time is about ready to begin, but I need you to get ready. I need your eyes watching, ears listening, body still, and quiet voices. Okay, let's begin. Do you know it's story time, story time, story time? Do you know it's story time in your home today? And a matter of fact, I'm going to turn this way so you can see the pages a little bit better. Okay. I see animals hiding. Today is such a cold, blustery day. The wind is blowing. The leaves are all off of the trees. And the animals are getting ready for winter. And let's see what happens when I see animals hiding. Now, you are really going to have to use your eyes and really look. Are you ready? Here is the title page. I See Animals Hiding by Jim Arnowski. Can you see that? I see animals hiding. I see a porcupine high in a tree. Wild animals are shy and always hiding. It is natural for them to be this way. There are many dangers in the wild. Even when they are caught unaware out in the open, wild animals try to hide. They stay behind whatever is available, a thin tree trunk, or even a single blade of grass. Most of the time, they go unnoticed. Can you see him? So it's this big porcupine hiding behind just one little twig of a branch. The colors of wild animals match the colors of the places where the animals live. Because of this protective coloration called camouflage, wild animals can hide by simply staying still and blending in. Let's all just stay still for a minute and see if we blend in. We're not animals. We're not quite blending as well as they do. Woodcocks and other birds, which spend much of their time on the woodland floor, have patterns and colors like those of dry leaves. I see animals hiding. I see two woodcocks on the leafy ground. Can you see the two birds? They're called woodcocks. They are blending in on the leafy ground. Of all wild animals, deer are the wariest. Even though their colors are camouflaged, they feel safe only where there are good hiding places nearby. In a summer meadow of tall grasses and small shrubby trees, deer can hide quickly by just laying down. Can you see them? It's hard to really see them. In autumn, deer shed their red-brown summer coats and replace them with warmer, grayer winter coats that better match the gray and brown trunks of leafless trees. I see animals hiding. I see a whole herd of deer on a winter hill. Now I'm going to hold this up. I'm going to try and hold it very still. There's approximately 20 deer hiding. Can you see 20 deer hiding? Go ahead, take a minute to count. It's really hard to see them. Snowshoe hares change from summer brown to winter white. The only way to spot a snowshoe hare in a snowy scene is to look for its shiny black, yes, eyes. Squint your eyes and you will see just how invisible a snowshoe hare on snow can be. So I'm going to hold this. Now squint your eyes. Go like this. Squint your eyes and see if it gets a little more difficult to see. It's like a rabbit. A hare is a rabbit. Yes, it's kind of hard to see him. Here are 3 more animals that are as white as snow. The Arctic fox and long-tailed weasel change from winter white to summer brown. The snowy owl stays white year-round. Can you see all of them? This owl is white all year round. We don't see a lot of these animals around us. The colors and patterns of screech owls blend perfectly with tree bark. These small owls can sleep all day out in the open and never be discovered. Can you see the owl? Yes, right here. I see animals hiding. I see an owl and a moth on a limb. You know how you could see the owl now? Because of his eyes. And the moth has a little bit of color as it opens its wings. I see animals hiding. Trout are camouflaged by color and shape to blend with the smooth, mossy stones in a stream. Do you know what a trout is? It's a fish. Looking down in a brook, I see a speckled trout swimming amid speckled stones. Very hard to see the trout. Can you find the trout in the bottom of that brook? You could. It took you a minute though. It was hard to see him. I see animals hiding. I see a garter snake slithering through the grass. Up close, a snake in the grass may be easy to see, but as long as the snake keeps a safe distance from its enemies, it can sneak by, looking like just another broken branch on the ground. Very hard to see the difference between the snake and the branches. A bittern is a wading bird whose brown streaks and long stick-like legs naturally blend in with the cattails and reeds that grow along the shorelines. When it needs to be invisible, it points its bill upward and sways its long neck like a cattail swaying gently in a breeze. Can you see? Can you see? He's got his neck up and then he sways his beak back and forth. And he blends right in. That's how he hides. And last, but not least, animals hide by staying inside. Can you see? Right here. What kind of animal is that? I'm not going to tell you. You, my dears, are going to draw and write what kind of animal was hiding. That is your assignment from today's story. So that means you will have 3 assignments today. Okay? Boys and girls, mwah, have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to see what animal you think was hiding. Bye.